Hi, my name is Elise Fabricant. I'm a health coach, life coach, massage therapist, and yoga teacher. Today I'd like to teach you about tapping, otherwise known as Emotional Freedom Technique or EFT. This is one of the techniques that I give to many of my clients and I use in my own day as well. One of the things I love about it is that it combines Western psychology with Eastern medicine, touching on the meridian points known to acupuncture and acupressure, and then also using the affirmations of Western psychology. So first I'll show you the points. You'll be tapping on the points pretty lightly, and we'll start with the outside edge of the hand. Just below the pinky finger, there should be a little notch there. So you can hold one hand up, use the other hand to karate chop the side of the hand. So just like this, and we tap for a while. After I show you the tapping points, I'm also going to introduce what you say while you're tapping. So first, we're just tapping one hand and then we'll switch to the other side. Each of these points you might find just like a little tender area there. If not, that's fine, you're still doing it right. So tapping, tapping, tapping. The next point is at the top of the head. I use 2 fingers of both hands. Top of the head, right where you had a little soft spot when you were a baby. Tapping there. You'll be saying your phrase. The next point is the outside edge of the eyebrows, so just a single finger. And then we move to the inside edge of the eyebrow. Tapping there. Underneath the eye, right at the cheekbone, a couple fingers works. You may feel a little tender there. And then the next point is the space between the nose and the upper lip. So I just take one finger and then we move down between the lower lip and the chin. And the next point is underneath the collarbones, there should be a little tender area just above the pectoral muscles. You can make soft fists. I usually call this a gorilla thump, and just tapping both sides. Maybe feel around for that tender spot. And our final point is underneath the armpit, right at bra line, for those of you who wear a bra. So maybe 3-4 inches underneath your armpit, right at the side. I do one side at a time. I know some people can do both. So tapping, 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 those are the points. Then the phrase that you say while you're tapping on the points is, even though I, fill in the blank, I completely love and accept myself. So it could be anything. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I am tired, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel ashamed, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I have a headache, I completely love and accept myself. So whatever it is true for you. Oftentimes when I'm feeling anxious, doing this mantra, this positive affirmation while hitting the tapping points can help me really calm down. So I'll show you what it looks like on the first few points, and then you'll get the idea and you'll be able to do the whole thing on your own. Let's use, even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself as the example. So it's 3 times each point. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Now I'm switching to the other hand. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Up to the top of the head, you can go slower than I am if you want. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel anxious, I completely love and accept myself. So then you'd go ahead and do the same thing on all of the points. And then take a moment to breathe, notice, and feel. You could also rate. Okay, wow, I was feeling anxious at a level 8 before, and now it's down to a level 6. And maybe you keep going, move through it again until you're maybe at a level 5. I hope that's helpful. You can also refer to the infographic that I have on my website. around tapping and EFT. There's also plenty of other resources online for you too. Enjoy!